Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is my nail paint favorites 2017. So I'll be showing you guys all the nail paints I loved applying on my nails during the year of 2017. So let's not waste time and get right into the video. So the first one is this one by Faces Canada. Now this is their Ultimate Pro Nail Lacquer, and this is in the shade Serenity 03. Now it's a beautiful blue color. Like, first when I saw, I wasn't comfortable like shall I buy or not, but that was my right decision to buy it because it looks amazing on your nails. It's kind of a very different blue color, and it gives a great get up on your nails. So I loved this, like applying on my nails. So the next one is this one by Revlon. Now this is their I suppose Serene, like the shade is just Serene, that's what it says, and it's such a beautiful coral color. Like, I always had something for corals, and when I saw this color I was like, it's so beautiful and so elegant. I need to have this in my collection. It's a beautiful coral shade, and the quality of Revlon is also amazing. Like, it's very smooth on your nails. It doesn't give you those crumbles or so while applying. So yeah. Guys, the next nail paint is this one by Colorbar. Now basically it's such cute teeny tiny packaging. Like, I got this, it was a set, like a set of trio, and they had 3 small nail paints. So it's great like for traveling, and I love the pink color, and I feel they haven't given any shade number or so, but it's just the pink nail lacquer. And again, Colorbar nail paints are extremely long lasting, and again they are very smooth like when you apply, and I love their nail paints. And look at this shade, it's so pretty and so subtle. So guys, the next nail paint is this one by Nykaa. Now again, this is my absolute favorite. I have never seen such a color in my life. Like, Nykaa does a great job on nail paints. The colors they have come up with, the quality they have come up with, it's like a great thing for us. I mean, we are so lucky to have those. And it's a matte nail lacquer, and the shade says it's 126. It's a perfect nude color. Like, when I applied it, I got n number of compliments, like, what color am I wearing? It's such a good product. I would highly recommend you guys to just go and watch the Nykaa nail paints, what they have. You'll be like, which to buy and what not to buy. So the next nail paint is this one by Studio West. It's like from West Side, and it's such a beautiful Persian blue color. Like, when I saw it, like on the first go, I was like, I need to buy this one. It's such a classy color, like, for the shade it says it's Midnight DM 763, and it's such a pretty blue color. So it's like great for your occasions or your special parties or something like that, and I loved wearing this one. So guys, the next nail paint is this one by Faces Canada again. Now look at the color. Like, I always wanted a purplish kind of a color, and I loved this. Like, when I saw this, I was like, okay, I want to buy it. It's that good color. And look at this size. Again, it's very portable, and I loved like using this. I was like, I kind of applied it like thrice or 4 times, I mean back to back or so. I love this color so much. So this is that. So guys, the next nail paint is from Maybelline. It's from the Color Show collection, a black. Now a black nail paint is must in our vanity, and the black shade what I used like throughout the year or so is this one by Maybelline. Again, it does a great work, smooth applicator, long lasting, and great quality. So this is that. Again, it says blackout 220. So yeah. So guys, the last nail paint is again from West Side, like the Studio West collection, and this is in the shade Rebel 461. Now look at this shade. It's such a vampy kind of shade, but it looks great on your nails. Like, you know, it kind of gives that glitter and that shine on your nails. This color, it's so soothing and so beautiful. Like, I just loved this color, and yeah, it was my ultimate favorite during the last year. So guys, that's it with my video. Those were all my nail paint favorites for 2017. I hope you all guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video, and do subscribe to my channel, and do click the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video of mine. Thank you so much for watching guys. Goodbye.